Greetings to everyone. This time I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp on the computer as simply as possible. And best of all is that they won't even need to install any software. We are going to open the browser already installed on the computer. Windows users can use Microsoft Edge, which is already pre-installed. Mac users have Safari. I am going to open Microsoft Edge, and here in the search bar, in the top toolbar, I will write WhatsApp. Already suggested to me. Enter. And we enter the first option. A QR code is displayed in large format that we have to scan with our phone. Now, it is time for us to look for our phone. In our phone, we are going to locate the WhatsApp app. In the Chat tab, we will go to the 3 vertical dots, where it says Link Devices. We are going to click on Link a Device. We will be asked for a security check. In my case, I will put the fingerprint. And I'm going to look for the QR code with the camera phone. In a matter of seconds it starts loading. Good, I can put the phone away now. And the messages load on my computer. Now, being here, there are a few things to be configured. Let's click here where it says Update Available. It is going to reload. Perfect. Next, the following notification will appear. To activate notifications on the computer, click on the following button. To this, we say OK. Allow. In this way, the computer will be able to notify us when we have new messages. Perfect. We already have WhatsApp. I would like to recommend you the following configuration. We go here to the 3 vertical points. Settings. Theme. And I like to use it in dark mode. OK. I find that it looks better and rests the eyes. Then, if we want to write to someone, we can put his or her name here. If we are going to send a voice note, he is going to ask us for microphone access. We have to accept and allow, so that WhatsApp can use our microphone. Hi. Hi. Perfect. We can attach polls, contacts, documents, use our computer's camera and send a selfie, send stickers, and photos and videos. We also have the popular emojis, GIF, sticker, divided into different categories. Remember to give a nice like to this video and subscribe to this channel. I would like to show you something very important. And it is with respect to security and privacy that we have to take into account when using WhatsApp on a computer. Let's see what happens when I close this. And I try to open again. I'm going back to WhatsApp web. In the link to web.whatsapp. and I can log in directly without being asked for any code to scan. This could be a major security problem. Now, what to do? There are two ways to protect your security if this computer is used by someone else. You must do the following. Go here to the 3 points. Once you finish using WhatsApp, give it logout. But what if you are no longer at the computer and forgot to log off? In that case, let's do the second and safer method. We look for our phone again. We open the WhatsApp application again. We are heading for the 3 vertical points. Then, link devices. Here we are shown where we are logged in with the computer. In this case, I know that the first session is active, which was the last one I used. I press it and tell it to log out. Immediately, it will close on the computer. And anyone else who logs on to that computer will no longer be able to see our messages. Well, that's it, friends. I hope you liked it and that it was useful for you. Please give me that like. Subscribe to this channel. And see you next time. Have a great day.